I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 18th of October. And warm weather headlines the afternoon conditions for the state today and tomorrow, but we cool down again late in the week and just maybe a shower at midweek, but not a lot of rain. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. First off, coming from downtown Jasper. The view there from the King Building. Clear and cool. Some spots are in the 30s this morning. There's the Birmingham shot looking north from the Daniel Building. And down in Lee County, you'll look at the campus of Auburn University. There you go. Got the faster flow north of us. Upper low near San Francisco. Shortwave off to the west. And yeah, mostly 40s this morning, but look at Gadsden sitting at 39. Tuscaloosa and Anniston 44, Birmingham at 49, but this dry air heats very effectively today. We should be up in the low 80s this afternoon. And around the nation, the weather nice and cool over the east. And look at the cold air up over Montana. Yeah, I see mid-20s up there. And we'll keep an eye on that and see if any of that air can head down this way later in the month. QPF chart, don't get your hopes up. It's been a long, dry month. We've had only 0.05 of an inch of rain all month long. And prospects of a big rain at midweek look awfully small. There might be a shower in spots, maybe late tomorrow night or Wednesday morning, but not very much. Tropical weather. A little weak disturbance out there in the eastern Atlantic, and then one over the southwest Caribbean near the coast of Nicaragua and Honduras. The models just want to leave that thing down there for 5 days. A few of them want to bring it out, but most of them just meander that thing around the coast of Central America. Some ramp it up to a tropical storm. The next name, by the way, will be Richard, if by chance this gets a name. But again, looks like it's just going to sit down there for a while. We'll check the OZGFS. This valid at 1 o'clock today. And got a moderate westerly flow aloft. The upper low is located out there off the California coast, and a little wave approaching from the west. Down below that, we stay dry today. And we're expecting low 80s. How about low and mid-80s tomorrow? The GFS is showing 84 tomorrow. Now, on Wednesday, the weather should turn noticeably cooler as that wave moves on. And again, you can see there's hardly any rain showing up here. The guidance is suggesting there might be a shower Wednesday morning. But anything out there should be pretty widely spaced. And then highs only in the low 70s. In fact, the GFS is printing a high of exactly 70 on Wednesday. Thursday, the trough is over the east. Down below that should be a bright sunny day with highs in the 70s. Friday, we stay dry. Now, Saturday, starting off the weekend, the winds kick into the south. Highs probably in the upper 70s. That looks dry. But on Sunday, got a pretty decent trough developing to the west with a southwest flow aloft, and down below that, a nice rain event breaks out west of the state, but the GFS maintains a dry look on Sunday. And then Monday, look at that big trough over the central part of the country. And down below that, we could turn relatively wet, if that's correct. And the following day looks pretty wet as well. And on the 27th, look at that. Got a 588 ridge over us. A big heat bubble, if you will, over Florida. And the trough axis shifts off to the west. And down below that, the big storm action is off to the west. But the European, about that same time, is suggesting the trough axis is up and down the Mississippi just about. And that could be awfully wet here. So, again, model madness is ruling. But the idea of the first freeze of the season before Halloween is starting to fade, with maybe hope for a pretty good rain event out in through there. We'll check at the end of the forecast on the 2nd of November. Still no sign of any really cold air, as a flat ridge is in place down here. So, again, the idea, what happens out there, there's just a lot of model madness and the confidence is low, but just maybe we'll pick up one or two decent rain events, because we sure need that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see
sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.